Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussed Laravel 11 full course and this part 105 Laravel 11 confirm box before delete record from database, and this my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Let's start this video. First of all, my Gem server already started Apache and MySQLi, and this already run localhost PHP. My admin inside this real estate underscore Laravel underscore 11. This is a database name. Inside this is a list of table is available. This my project is available. The Gem folder inside this htdoc folder. Inside this project is a Laravel underscore and real estate. This is a project. This project is already open. This my Sublime text editor. This project is a run cmd successfully. This is a cmd. Inside this is a available this Laravel underscore real estate. This direct inside this open. Let's php artisan server and enter. Successfully working fine. Let's copy this and paste here this browser. Successfully working fine. Let's /admin login. This login agent login agent @gmail.com, password 1234567889, and click this login and not now, not save. Successfully login. Good. Let's click this transaction. This transaction list is available. This transaction list is available. This user ID is show. This is a 2 record is available. Let's open this transaction. This is a transaction is available. This transaction table is available. This transaction table inside this is available, but this is a user is a login only. 2 number is a user is a login. This is a 3 and 4 available. This is a 2 and 2, and this is a all record is a show. This is a all record is a show. User ID device is a show. Good working. This is a all record is a show. Good working. And inside this is a implement. This is a agent login. This is agent login is this user ID device is available. Click this user. Inside this is available. This is a user agent is a login. This is a 2 number. Inside this only record is a show. This is only 2 number is record is a show. Good working. Inside this action button is implement. First of all, this URL is a copy agent. This is a agent transaction list copy route. Inside this web.php open. This is available. This route is available. Good working. This route is available. Transaction controller open. This is a transaction controller. This is available transaction controller. This transaction controller inside this is available. This is a use app model and transaction model. This model is available. Model inside this is available transaction model. Please write down this same model is available transaction model. Inside this is a implement transaction table. This is a table name is available transaction table. Good. Same here. This function is a copy and find this. Inside this function is available. This is a record is a get. Agent transaction list resource view agent transaction, and this is a list. This is a list is available. Inside this is not available. Only last is update date. Action implement action. This is action is available. Refresh this page. Successfully this is a action is available. Action tds. Inside this is new add td. This is a implementation step by step. This first of all form start form, close this form, method post, action blank, and the crf token is add @cs token. Method is delete. Method delete. And this button name is a button. Type submit. And class btn danger btn sm btn delete. This is a class name and delete. Save file. Successfully save file. Let's refresh this page. This button is available. Good, working. This is a delete button is available. Click this is a button is available. Good. Refresh this page. Successfully working. Fine. This delete button is available. Fine. Let's this same here available. Same this name is open. This scroll up. This agent is available. This is a agent inside this is available. This is a agent dashboard. This agent dashboard open. This is a file is already included. This is a live project. Scroll down. Inside this is a one script is a implementation. Otherwise this is a model is a not a show. Less one script is a implementation. This successfully this is a script. Please write down SweetAlert. This is a only single script is a implementation. Let's same here open this list file and same this scroll down. Same here copy btn delete copy, and inside the script dot this paste here. Same this is a class is a paste here. Class means dot. Click function E. This click function E, and this is a close. This E prevent default. This is a E prevent default is a implementation. This E prevent default. Inside this is a new form is a already implementation. This is a form save file. This is a form. Same name is a copy and paste here. Same here. This is a copy and inside this paste here. Good, working. Next is a SweetAlert is a implementation. Otherwise not a working. Please write down. This is a SweetAlert. The same here SweetAlert is a write down. This is a SweetAlert. Please write down step by. This is a all script is a write down. Let's check this button. This is a implement. This SweetAlert is a implementation. Please this is a sweet fire. Are you sure you want to delete? This is a all successfully set. This is only script. Save file inside this only simple. Let's refresh this page. Refresh this page. Refresh this page. Wait, an issue, not an issue. Please wait. This refresh this page. Why lost of loaded? Please wait. An issue, not an issue. Lost of this is why loaded file. Let's click this SweetAlert and this is a wait. Are you sure want to delete? And this is a wait. Let's refresh this page. Again this refresh this page. Successfully loaded. Good, working. Let's click this delete. Yes, are you sure? And who won't be able to retrieve this? Yes, delete and cancel. This is a working fine. This message is available inside this message. Are you sure you want to able to retrieve? This is all successfully. Yes, yes. This is available and cancel. This is available. Good, working. Please write down only simple and this simple, and inside this is a simple, not a extra implementation. Let's new inside this is a implementation and this is a close, and this close. Let's inside this route is a implementation. Let's route in this is a route is a implementation. This write down this route. Transaction destroy value id. This is a value id inside. This is only available. Same here. This is a id implementation. Please write down. This is a only simple way. This is a fine, good, working. This is a implementation, only transaction destroy. This is a working, good. This is a transaction is available. This transaction only simple name. Same here, copy this copy and this web.php inside. This is the implementation route. This is a route. Wait, this is a route and this is a agent inside this implementation route. Deleter, and this is a name and this paste here. Same here, this is a name is a paste here. Destroy this name. Inside this delete, this is a delete, this delete id /$id, save file, and this is a name is a same name is a transaction, same name, copy and paste here, and this is a name is a same, this is a not use, only simple destroy. This is only simple destroy. Please write down, and this is the last is a close. This is the last is a close. Only this is a route is a create, and this controller is a open. This is a transaction controller. This is a transaction controller. Let's this transaction controller is a open. Let's this transaction controller, same here, copy this transaction controller, and this successfully available this transaction controller. Scroll down, this is a available transaction controller, same name. Let's public function, paste here, this is id $id, same here, and this is a paste here, and let's step by step implementation. This is a the same here, copy this transaction model inside this find $id and delete and return redirect back. Save file, successfully save file, good, working. This is a refresh this page, good, working. This is a id is available. This is the id, this 1 2 3 4, this is id inside. This is the implementation inside. This is the implementation, this id value. Let's refresh this page. Any doubt, so please contact this my official website errorsolutioncode.com. 24 available and 7 days anytime. Please contact. YouTube, Telegram, WhatsApp and Skype is always available. And this new website development, so please contact. This is a lost of project is available. Please buy. And this my YouTube channel Error Solution. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. Follow this all link, Facebook, Instagram and GitHub. Let's check this, and inside this 4, let's this delete is a set. Click this is a delete, and this cancel is a not a delete. This is a not a deleted. This 2 number. Let's this is a not a deleted. Not a delete. Why lost of data loaded? Let's rip. This is a successfully not a wait. This is a loaded. Wait again. Open. And this is a loaded. This load. Let's click this browser. Successfully 4 record is available inside. This is a 4. Let's 2 number is a delete. Yes, successfully delete, and this is a 2 number is a delete. Successfully 2 number is a remove. 1 3 and 4 is a available. 2 number is a delete, and refresh this page, and inside this is a 2 number is a remove. Good, working. Let's 4 number is a remove. Last is a 4 number is a remove. Yes, yes, delete it. Successfully model is a show, after is a remove. This is a remove. Good, working. 4 number is a remove. This is a 4 number is a remove. Good, 1 and 3 available. Let's delete and this cancel is a not a delete, as it is a working fine, and this is a inside, this is a available, good working, this is a successfully this is a available, good working. This is a first of all, this is a one route is a create, this route inside this function is a create, this is a td is a create, and this is as, and inside this is a only simple way is a create. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.